Have you ever wondered what happens when you add ginger to your daily routine? From better digestion to sharper brain function, this humble root can truly transform your health. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Too much of a good thing can have its downsides. Let's dive in. First up, ginger is packed with gingerol, a powerful antioxidant. It fights free radicals, reduces oxidative stress, and keeps your body functioning like a well oiled machine. Tired of feeling bloated or dealing with indigestion? Ginger works wonders for your digestive system, improving motility and even reducing nausea. Perfect for pregnancy, motion sickness, or after heavy meals. Got sore muscles or achy joints? Ginger's anti inflammatory properties can ease arthritis pain and help you recover faster after workouts. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's a heart hero. Regular consumption can help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even lower bad cholesterol levels. Looking to shed some pounds or keep your brain sharp? Ginger can rev up your metabolism, support fat burning, and enhance cognitive function by reducing oxidative stress. But here's the thing, moderation is key. Too much ginger can cause trouble, so let's break it down. Overindulging in ginger can lead to heartburn or an upset stomach, thanks to increased gastric acid production. Ginger's natural anticoagulant properties are great, but if you're on blood thinning medication, it could increase your bleeding risk. Always check with your doctor. If you're pregnant, be cautious with high doses of ginger. While it's great for nausea, excessive amounts could potentially lead to complications. So, how much ginger is just right? Experts recommend sticking to about 3 to 4 grams daily. That's roughly 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or powdered ginger, enough to enjoy the benefits without the risks. From boosting your digestion to supporting heart health, adding ginger to your daily diet is a game changer. Just remember, moderation is key. So, what's your favorite way to enjoy ginger? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.